If you've ever tried using Temu coupon codes, you know the frustration. One code works, another does nothing, and half the time you're just guessing. I went through that too, until I stopped guessing and started doing it the right way. Let me show you how to use Temu coupon codes without trial and error. First, I've put the working Temu coupon code right here on the screen, and it's also in the description and pinned comment, along with a couple of backup codes that are still active. Now here's the mistake most people make. They collect random codes from different places and try them one by one at checkout. That almost never works. Here's the correct way. Step 1. Click the first link in the description. This step is important. The link tells Temu which coupon you're activating. Once the page opens, you'll see a QR code on the screen. Step 2. Scan the QR code with your phone to activate the coupon. If you're on desktop and can't scan, no problem. You'll also see a coupon code you can enter manually for the same discount. Once you do this, the coupon gets added to your Temu account. Step 3. Open the Temu app and go to You, Coupons. Make sure the coupon is actually sitting in your wallet. If it's there, you're good. Step 4. Shop like normal and add items to your cart. At checkout, tap Available Coupons and select the coupon manually. If you don't tap it, Temu won't apply anything, and that's why people think the code didn't work. That's it. No guessing, no testing random codes, just one working coupon, activated the right way. Use the code on screen, follow these steps, and your discount should apply instantly. If it worked for you, comment below. I want to know I saved you the headache.